Hi, good evening everyone. This is Ansupriya. Today we are here to learn non-routine maths question. This is very important topic in all of the Olympiad. We don't solve the questions by conventional method and direct formulas, but we have to think the question very logically, then only we can get the solution. Let's start with. So see this question, a very easy question appeared in grade 2 of American Olympiad. So grade 2, you can imagine where we don't even learn fraction and they are asking how many triangles are said. So actually we can use this question. So how we can solve this very fast. Just try to divide one of the square and just see how many triangles you can form. Just you see, we can found 4 triangles. So how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So actually in one row 20 will be there because 4 times 5, 5 rectangles. So 20 this side. So what will happen? So here we will have, so here we'll have 20, right? So we'll have 20 this side, we'll have 20 here and 20 here. So 20 plus 20, 40. So total will be how much? 40. So that means we'll have 40 triangles set it. Now let's see the second question. So here, which of this number is biggest? See, if you go by this question, this was another question of grade 2 of American Olympiad. So just see grade 2. This matter when I say grade 2. So some children in grade 2, they don't know even what is the meaning of this. Like they have not read that what is the meaning of power. So this is about base and power and exponents. So just simply this means 1 because 1 multiplied by 9 times. So 1 into 1 into 1. So simply that means 1. Similarly, this means 9 to the power 9 because this goes 1. Here it goes 199 to the power 9 and here it's time 199 into 9 and this is this. So you can clearly mark this will be the biggest answer, right? You don't need to solve it. So another very easy compared to grade 2, I'll see. Yes, it was a very good question. But if I say higher classes can do very easily just by seeing the question. So see this question. There are 4 gear wheels on fixed axle next to each other as shown. The first one has 30 gears. So there are 4 gears. See, this is first, second, third and fourth. So first one has 30, second one has 15, third one has 60 and the last one 10. So how many revolution does the last gear will make? Is asking about this one. When the first one runs to 1 revolution. So this one is 1 revolution. That means if it has 30, then it is 1 revolution. So when it has 15, it will do how many? It will do 2 revolution. Similarly, this one will do how much? Half revolution. You understand? Means how much gears it will be, that means that much less it can revolve. That is the logic of physics that you can think that see how much more gears it will be less moving. See this, you can see in this animated picture, the more number of gears, the movement will be less. So less number of gears, 2 revolution, 60 gears, then how many revolution? Half revolution. So 10 gears, it will be how much? It will be 3 revolution, right? Because it's inversely proportional. The number of gears is more, revolution will be less, right? So this is how the logical question was. So when you see the animated picture, it is much clear. So hope everybody understand. Let's try the next question. See, when you go to this question, this is a very logical question. So this is just a matter of symmetry. When you have a A4 size paper, A4 size paper, something looking like this. So it says when it is folded once, so how you will fold, anyhow you will fold, can you be able to get a shape like B? See, anyhow you will be trying to fold, you will not able to fold it so that it will overlap. This much portion will remain. Are you understanding? If it would be a square shape paper, no, we could easily get the B option. But if it is not a square shape paper, That means it is not symmetrical about the diagonal. You can see this shape is not symmetrical about the diagonal. So in this case, see, in this case, it will be not possible to get the V shape. Other shapes are easily possible. This was again a grade 2 question of American Olympiad. So let's do the next question. Hope you are enjoying the method I am using to solve these questions. So see this question, if you think, so Granny has been having a smashing time. Yesterday she had 12 cups and she has 10 matching sauces. Very nice of her. Now, but this morning she dropped a tray. So suppose she has a tray. So she has a tray and what is happening? Holding 1/3 of cup. 1/3 of cup is how much it is holding? So 4 cups and half the saucers. That means 5 saucers. Breaking all of them. Oh, so sorry. So these all get break off. And now how many remaining? So 12 minus 4, 8 cups remaining. And here how many saucers will remain? 10 minus 5, 5 saucers. Now they are asking how many of our cups are now without saucers. So definitely you can see 5 and 5 will pair up. So 3 cups will not have any saucers. So this was again a American Olympiad grade 2 question. So I'm starting with the fully basic. I'm starting with grade 2. We'll slowly move it to higher level as well. So let's try the another question. Now see this question when you try to figure it out. So part A is what? Part A is just 5 by 10. So how much you got? Half. B is what? So let's figure this one. B, C is again half. If you go by B, this is minus 1 by minus 2. This is again half. And if you see, this is 6 by 24. This gives you 1 by 4. They are asking about the smallest value. That means you can see all are half. This is half, this is half, this is half. Now we have to distinguish between B and E. So let's check B. So 2 divided by 3 divided by 4 divided by 6. So you can see 4 and 6 is same as 2 by 3. So this gives you 1. So how much will be the answer? E, because this is 1/4 value and rest are half or 1. So definitely it was an easy question if you are very well versed with the fraction. Okay, now see this question. A certain company offers 750 hours of free internet users. On closer inspection, it became clear that this time must be used during the. So what is the maximum number of hours? This is the catch in the question, maximum number of hours in any month of the year. So maximum number of days in any month is how much? 31 days. And you cannot increase the number of hours. So sorry. So 1 hour is only having, sorry, 1 day is only having 24 hours. So now maximum users will be 31 times 24 in a month. So that's give you 744 and that gives our answer. Okay, let's try to solve the next one. Ima Devi used her calculator and multiplied the number by 20 instead of by 2. So she has got extra by 10. Yeah? So what could she do now to obtain the correct answer? So multiplication is extra by 10 because it should be 20 and now she has instead of 2 she has done by 20. So extra multiplication by 10. So either she divide by 10 or what you can do, you can divide it by 10 to get the answer, or if you want to multiply, then multiply by 0.1. So it's same. 10 times 0.1 will give you 1 and 10 times divided by 10 will give you 1. It will counter effect. So both way possible, right? Let's try the last one, this one. So 30 divided by 0.2. If a child don't understand this way, just try to explain 30 divided by 2. So what they have to think, 30 divided by 2, just you can teach them how to half a number. So if they can easily tell, even they don't know division, because I am taking all the question mostly from grade 2 Olympiad of American Olympiad. So see, by that time children don't know division concept. So but the question is asked like 30 divided by 0.2, how to solve? So 30 divided by 0.2. So first you teach them 30 divided by 2. It thus means half the number. So suppose you have 30 cookies and you are making half. So child will easily understand that it will have 15 cookies. And now it is to be divided into 1/10 part. You can easily explain by a model. So it will give you 150. So model helps a small child to understand more. So try using models when you are teaching small children. So now when you see this question in the trigram, PQ equal to PR equal to this, means these are all equal, means this is a isosceles triangle. So here what will happen? This is X, this is X. So 36 plus 2X equal to 180 degree. So can we solve? 2X is equal to 180 minus 36. So this give you 144 and that's give you X as 72 degree. So let's take this one as X dash, otherwise there will be chances of confusion. So X dash is now my 72 degree. So definitely this one will be how much? If X dash is 72 degree, this one is 108 degree, because you can say linear pair or angle in a straight line, right? So now this is 108 degree, and again they say these are equal. So suppose these and these are y. So 108 plus 2y equal to 180 degree. So y is how much? 180 minus 108, right? Everyone clear? 2y equal to 180 minus 108. So that has give you 72 degree. So y is how much? 36 degree. So this y is 36 degrees. So x will be how much? X will be 108 degree, because this total will give you 72 degree. This is 72 degree. So again here a linear pair, and that's how we find the answer. So I hope everybody understand the concept of linear pair, isosceles triangle, a mild geometry question. Let's see another problem. So if you see this question, so this is a man 1 meter tall. This is casting a shadow of length 3 meter. So suppose this will be the shadow. Now, what is the length becoming? Because 1.5 above the ground. So this is 1.5 and this is 1 meter. So how much is the now happening? See, this is happening total 2.5 meter. So when it is 1/3, this will be proportional because they are similar triangle. You can think like that, because why it will be similar? Because this is 90, this is 90, and the shadow will be at same angle, no? Because we are talking about the same angle. So this angle will also be equal, because at the same time they are talking. Otherwise, the length of shadow will decrease. We are assuming that the length of the means object and the shadow will be same. Angle will be same. So the triangles are similar. So sides will be proportional. 1/3 equal to 1/3 equal to 2.5 by x. So x will be how much? 7.5, and that will be the length of the shadow. That's it. So if you can see some of the concept of physics is blended always in maths. So see, when you go to this question, so here you see it had been borrowed on January 3rd, 1924. And in March 1998, it was returned. Oh my God. So 1998 to 1924. How many years? So first we'll find the years. So 74 years, long 74 years. So see, if you can remember that 1 year has 52 weeks, you can easily calculate this question. 74 into 52 into 60, and paise need to be, cents need to be converted into pounds. So that is divided by 100. So you can just see Just you can approximate value we will try, because see the numbers are varying so much. We can take this as 50. So 50 times 2 is 100 and this become 30. So 4 times 3 is 12, 7, 3, 28, 29. So 2920. So roughly 4, 3, 7, 22, 2220. So roughly this will be the answer, right? Because we have assumed little, this is on a higher side because I see the numbers are not very closer. So I just approximated this and easily you can find the answer without solving much. So this was another very easy question of AMO. Let's try another one. So see this question when we study, grandmother made 11 cookies. She decorated 5 cookies with raisins and then 7 cookies with nuts. So if you try to solve by Venn diagram, this is very easily can be done. Or even we can think like 5 cookies plus 7 cookies. So 12 cookies, that will be together how much will be raisins and nut, and since it was only 11 cookies, so just you subtract, so 1. So definitely one will have both raisins and nuts, and that's give away the answer very easily, right? That all. So I think everybody of you have enjoyed the class. So thank you so much for joining. Please subscribe to our channel. Take care. Bye bye.